The airport was full. The smell of coffee and perfume mixed in the air. The line at the gate was long. Faces looked tired. Some looked angry. Everyone rushed, yet no one moved. It felt like the world had stopped, and we were stuck in it. I stood there with my bag, watching the clock tick above me. Each second felt heavy. My chest tightened, as if time itself was squeezing me. I whispered inside, "Why am I wasting my life here? Why must I stand still when my heart wants to move?" The air was restless. Child cried. A man groaned loud. Phones buzzed. A woman muttered about missing her flight. Impatience spread through the line like fire. I felt it burning me too. My foot tapped the ground, faster and faster. My jaw clenched. I wanted to scream. But then I noticed something small. The sound of shoes against the floor. The shuffle of bags being pulled. The line moved. Not fast. Not far. But step by step. I lifted my bag and followed. Something changed inside me at that moment. I looked again at the faces around me. The angry man still stood ahead. The tired woman still looked down. The crying child was still crying. Yet, the line was moving slowly, surely. Each step brought us closer to the gate. I thought about my own life. How often I had wanted things to come quick. Success, love, peace. I had fought the wait, always hating the slow. But now, standing in this line, I felt a quiet truth. Patience is not waiting. Patience is walking without struggle. The line stopped again. For a moment, my chest tightened. But then I remembered. Just like before, it would move again. And it did, step by step. The gate was still far, but I was closer than before. My thoughts softened. I saw beauty even in the chaos. The child's laughter came between tears. The man ahead calmed his breath. The woman looked up and smiled at nothing. Life was still moving. Even here. Even now. I breathed deep. The cracks of impatience inside me healed. I understood. Life is an airport line. We reach our gate anyway. We reach our place, our moment, step by step. We don't need to rush. We don't need to fight. So I stood there still, yet not still. I moved when the line moved. I waited when the line stopped. And I felt light. For the first time, the long line did not feel like a prison. It felt like a path, a journey. The gate came closer. Slowly, surely. My chest no longer hurt. My mind no longer raced. My anger had left me. In its place, a quiet smile. I whispered again, but this time different. So, breathe. Even in the longest lines, the journey continues. If you like this story, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.